Okay, ready, go. I'm Lilli and Carey.
And I'm Carey.
And this is December 2019. This is the second of the Intermediate Advanced Press-Step Waltz. We did the last one last week, so you'll find that video there. I don't think there's any duplication between these two. So we started off playing with the basic.
The reverse basic.
We flipped it, right? And so all the things you know about the basic, where the lead steps through, across, and open, we have to flip that around. So now leads, we need to switch this, and we need to ask our follows to come across.
Feels a little left pivoty.
It does a bit. So through, across, open. Now it's my turn.
She's got a
Through, across, open, right? And what's super sweet about this is flipping back and forth between the reverse and the regular, which gives us this lovely flowy feeling. And I think it would be really fun if the music was fast and you never had to do a lot of the things.
So we put a basic on top.
So regular basic.
She's gonna bring it across, and through,
And across, and through, and then basic, which is a super good thing to do on the corner.
Then she brings me across, and through, open, across.
And that's switching from one to the next.
Really sweet.
All right, then we reviewed, we had done it in previous classes, but not in this class. We reviewed rebounds, and we did a couple of one-handed rebounds and one two-handed rebound. So actually, let's get into it. So I'm going to step through, across, open, and at this point, I'm going to start to slide my hand down on the outside of her arm.
I can feel her pressing upwards, and that's going to cause me to kind of press down. So as she rotates me through, she's taking this and then opening me up, and I'm really ready for that pre-lead prep that we're going to do. Look like this. 1, 2,
Right
3,
here.
open up, yeah. Da, 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 dee, da, da. Right? We're really bouncing here, and then we're collecting and absorbing. We go boing, we go settle.
And we can finish it by just letting go and stopping the motion. All right, so next thing, we added both a two-handed and then a magic wand, which is done with the other hand. So I can start it the same way, but now I can take two hands. They stay forward. It's still the low hand that's leading, and my stepping down line of dance. And I can open it up. Or we can add the magic wand.
Great to probably start off with this move first, add the hand, then we go to tuck, and a rotation, and a tuck,
And back out. And you can just float from one of those to the next.
The really big things that we were encouraging as follows to really keep going, working on my chaîné turns. Leads are doing that sort of long, short, long step, and I'm also doing something similar where I'm traveling and turning small, traveling and turning small. So I'm really using my frame as much as I can, and I'm thinking about trying to continue to rotate so that I find that connection with my lead every time.
That's right. And leads, we talked about maintaining really a nice solid frame, solid body all the way through. So we got that really gentle bounce. If I'm kind of pushing through the body, it's going to take more work, and she's going to get less information. She's going to get it later. Then we decided to take a West Coast swing move on the exit. This actually comes from...
We call it the Jordan, because Jordan Frisbee was teaching it like a lot in like 2010, 2011. And
as a West Coast swing move, right? So here we go, going into it. This one would be line of dance.
Yep. Hip, catch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And my weight shifts are really the things, this weight shift and the push off is really what's asking her to travel in each direction, right? The other part of this is that I am waiting for her to settle. I am not stepping and catching her.
I am providing resistance all the way down.
And I'm allowing her momentum to actually take me onto my left foot. All right?
He also said that she's doing me a real favor. She's going to slide across my back here so
Right
that
there.
I can be caught nice and early. and that this is really nice and stable for me. So follows feel like they can really commit their weight both times, have that really nice settling feeling each time.
Then we changed it up a little bit. And this is a Jordan move, but it's across the lead's bow.
This is more the actual West Coast swing move.
So what's going to happen is I'm going to roll her in similar, but I'm going to start to rotate my chest. Yeah, so I can send her more to the inside. So 1, 2, 3. Here's the angle. I'm going to catch her here, around. I'm going to step into her and come back out. So I'm basically at that point stepping in, moving my shoulder back, which is asking her to go ahead and rotate a little bit back kind of dance, but not very far. So the whole thing. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1.
The last thing that I want to add in is that we can do follow arm styling for both of these moves. Let's do it this way. So for the first one, line of dance, we've got this as an option. Yeah, da da yeah, da yeah, da da ha. Right? So when I settle, the arms go and then come down through. I'm making sure to go up directly, nice straight arms, and then bring them down. If I'm gonna close to me, if I'm gonna smack anybody in the face, it better be me, not her. And then with this one, same idea. Yeah, da, yeah, da, yeah, da, 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 ha. Right? Yeah, just adds a little extra something that's fun to practice.
And that's it. So we will see you all
next year.
Have a great holiday.
Thanks, guys.
Nicely done.